The shoes she couldn't afford. Ononya stood outside the glass window of the fancy shoe store, her eyes glued to a pair of sparkling black heels. Price: 3,499 Indian rupees. That was more than what her mother earned in a week. She pressed her forehead against the cool glass for a second before turning away. The city moved fast around her, cars honking, people shouting into their phones, shops yelling discounts, but her world was frozen in that moment of helplessness. At 19, Ononya was in her second year of college. She came from a small town, the daughter of a single mother who worked as a maid in 3 houses. Every morning, Ononya would take the local bus at 7 a.m., travel 40 minutes to her college, and then rush to her part-time job at a coffee shop in the evening. But that day, everything felt heavier. Her professor had announced an upcoming seminar. All students were asked to dress formally. Ononya didn't own formal clothes. Or shoes. That night, her mother noticed the silence. "What's wrong?" she asked gently. Ononya hesitated, then finally said, "There's a seminar. I need formal shoes. But they're too expensive." Her mother didn't speak. Instead, she disappeared into the other room and returned with an old biscuit tin. From it, she took out a few folded notes. "Take this," she said, handing her 1,200 Indian rupees. Ononya was about to refuse when her mother said firmly, "You deserve to stand with confidence." The next morning, Ononya searched the local market and found a pair of neat black shoes, simple but elegant, for exactly 1,200 Indian rupees. She walked into the seminar feeling like she belonged. Weeks later, her presentation from the seminar was noticed by a guest lecturer, who offered her an internship at a publishing house. That small pair of shoes had taken her a long way. Sometimes, it's not the price of the shoes, but the strength of the steps you take in them that define your journey.